Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Avi Arya. I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to teach you the importance of the right testimonial and the right case study on your website or your marketing material to be able to run your webinars or sell any product or service online. See, the one thing the internet doesn't have a dearth of is enough people saying, buy my product, I am the best, look at me. So I always advise my team, myself and all of you people to go for what people are not doing. There's no dearth of people saying it's me, I'm the best. You should now go and have your best customers go out and market for you. Stop marketing yourself, have your customers market you. But how does that happen? Well, you can call up a buddy, you can call up a friend, you can call up a cousin, you can call up anybody and say, can you do a testimonial from me? I'll give you a free gift in return. But guess what? That is not working. That is not true and authentic. So what do? If you're so sure about your product and service working and changing somebody's life, invite them into a free coaching program. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 people. Work with them for 4 to 6 weeks. Actually put in the heart and soul to make them see results. Take them from where they are to where they want to be in life with the help of your product. Once they reach there and see the results, see the money, see the income, see the influence, see the change that you promised actually come true, they will automatically feel obliged by doing something for you. At that very moment, send them a micro video and say, I'm very happy to see the success that you've got. I would like more people like you to see this kind of success. Would it be okay if you could create a short video testimonial telling people what you felt when you saw my ad for the first time? What made you make that plunge into working with me? What was your experience of week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5? What were the kind of assignments I gave? How much homework was there? I don't want this testimonial doctored at all. Please feel free to give the most genuine, honest video that you want to give. Remember, I'm not asking for myself, I'm asking for my audience. So therefore, if you think that I could make an improvement in anything, mention it in the video. I will post it as it is. And allow them to make a longish video. You know, when I thought of getting into Tom's program, I saw Tom's ad for the first time. I liked his energy, but I was not sure if the $997 was worth my investment getting into this course. But then I saw his remarketing video and I realized this guy himself is practicing what he asks, what he preaches. So I said, what the hell, let's get into it. Especially when he said that it's going to be a community of 10 people working together, and I always love to work with people. Then I instantly got 2 emails from his office, and then there was an onboarding call where his happiness manager came and told me everything about how his work happened, and I just felt very connected. It was not just an online transaction. There were human beings on the other side who wanted to know what challenge I wanted to overcome. They spoke to me for 1 hour. They invited me into the community. They gave me access to the Facebook page. They followed up to ask if everything is okay. That first week was trust building, and I was like, I made the right decision. Because remember, all of you people watching this, a customer has to justify to him or herself if they made the right decision. So with this testimonial that you will be using, let your customer who's already paid you and gone through the program and seen the results actually inform other customers what is the time they will find justification of value. So they're watching the video and they're like, oh, it takes a couple of days, then there's another call and there's another call. Within a week's time, we start finding value in the program, and we understand that we made the right decision. We say, yes, see how smart I am. I always take the right decision. Human beings need to validate their decisions. Sometimes you have to justify it to your business partner or your spouse and say, you know what, I told you not to spend another $997 on another crappy course or whatever. So you need to justify it to people. So this testimonial tells them when the justification will happen. Then tell them about what happened in week 2. In week 2, there was a live class. Unlike all offline classes, I like the live class format. Avi made us do buddy pairing. We were doing buddy partners So there was one accountability partner each. So I got deeper involved into the community. They would talk till 12 at night, but after 12 I work late at night, and I found myself never alone, because every time I put a comment or a question on the Facebook community that Avi gave me called his Micro Video Mastery Gym, there was somebody always there to answer my questions, either from Avi's team of coaches or the other community that he's built. So that's felt very good. By week 3, I started feeling overwhelmed, and I thought there was too much homework to do for 1 week. After all, Avi should have understood we are entrepreneurs. We're doing other things as well, not just studying. But then when I reached out, one of his coaches reached out and gave me an extra 1.5 hour lesson that helped me to understand how to integrate tools. And after that, there was no stopping. Week 4, my presentation was done. Week 5, Avi actually made us launch our first webinar. And the first webinar, I made $1,000. My investment with Avi came out within 1 month's time. So that will run a person through a storytelling format from the beginning till the end to make a decision to say whether or not this is the right program for me. Point number 1, insist on yourself that I need multiple testimonials all the time, because the biggest hindrance in closing a deal is when you give a product or a system, people are like, oh, I'm a real estate agent, will it work for me? Oh, I'm a teacher, will it work for me? Oh, I'm a sports car racer, will it work for me? Oh, I'm a hotelier, will it work for me? So why not have everybody's doubts put to rest by having people from various industries giving relevant expertise and experiences. Say, I'm a real estate agent, I sell apartments, I'm running around all the time. I didn't know how Avi's course would help me to run around less and still sell more buildings. Well, after all, maybe Avi didn't understand, but a building cannot be sold online. I have to show people the stuff and all of that. So that was my apprehension. And Avi told me that you can actually do a walkthrough of the building and sell apartments online through webinars. So I got into Avi's program, and this is what happened in week 1, week 2, week 3. So the person who is listening as a real estate agent is saying, this guy has the same lifestyle as me, and Avi was able to help him build his lifestyle to the next level. So that's the importance of having industry specific relevant testimonials. Put this testimonial on your website, put it on your landing page, use it in your Facebook ads, use it in your Google ads, post it on your social media community, put it on LinkedIn, use it on Instagram. At the end of every testimonial, have a call to action. If you too are looking for the results that this gentleman just had, click on the link and join my community, where we discuss every Monday through a webinar on how we can help you. Or click on this community to see an automated video from my side on how you can do this for yourself. Or click on the link to book a call to see if we are the right fit. Allow your customers to have an honest, unfiltered, undoctored testimonial talking about how they got into your program, what were their doubts, how they were skeptics, what happened from the beginning to the end. And then do this for multiple industries, people from multiple industries getting into your program or system. Once you have at least 10 of them, please come back to this YouTube channel and post a comment and let me know how that's working for your business, because something tells me what I learned after years of practice and did it for my internet moguls and my Micro Video Mastery program. I've got over 100 beautifully answered testimonials, not because I've asked them to beautifully do it, because it's just so genuine and they have some complaints, so say, we should have done this, we should have done that, but overall it was good and I got this, because it's so real that my business goes to the next level. Even though I'm making this video, one review online, one video online is working to bring me a customer while I'm making this video to help you people wherever you're seeing this video. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as an entrepreneur, it is your job to plant seeds that will flourish and give you fruits even when you're not planting any more seeds, or even when you're planting seeds elsewhere. That is the power of micro videos. And today was a lesson on making video testimonials. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge you to go back, watch this video once again, make notes, and put in the comment below what are the 2 things that you learned. and then go ahead and activate this for yourself. Thank you very much. My name is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a streetcar racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Moguls. Signing off for now. Thank you for your time. Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video allowed you to have a mind shift to know where you need to go in your journey as an entrepreneur. Now I'm adding a link over here. Please click on this link. I've got the description below as well. Copy this link, paste it in your browser, click, and in this Ask Avi, you're going to find an answer to where you want to go and why you're watching this video. Go ahead and spend your time over there. I'm giving you this link. Click on this link and go find your answer. Thank you very much for watching.